Fun facts. This is how Batswana respond when you tell them things. For example, somebody you know passed away and you're telling your friend, and they're going to respond like, "Oh, Baton, oh, Baton, eish." And you're watching a soccer game and somebody scores a brilliant goal, and they're telling you how it happened. Like, Munna, Munna, Munna. And this is how you get threatened in Tswana. It's not Nobody's gonna tell you, I am going to break you, destroy you. They'd be like, Munnawe, Munnawe, hey, Munna. And maybe one person is threatening many guys, be like, hey, Bannawe, Banna, Banna, hey. Then you know that something's about to happen and it's gonna be bad. Somebody saw somebody getting a whoop